Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable margin settings responsibly on Webull, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable margin settings on Webull, start by launching the app on your device. Log into your Webull account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. From the home screen, locate the account option at the bottom menu and tap on it. In the account section, look for Margin Account to begin the process. If you currently have a cash account, you will need to apply to switch to a margin account. Tap on Margin Account to access the application process. Read through the information provided about margin trading and the associated risks. When ready, select the option to apply for a margin account. Fill out the application form with your personal and financial information. Ensure that you provide accurate details to avoid delays in the approval process. Once you've completed the form, review your information carefully. Submit the application by tapping the Submit button. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your application is being processed. After a short wait, check your notifications or email for an update on your application status. If approved, you will receive a notification confirming that your margin account is activated. Return to the Accounts section to view your new margin settings. Review the terms and conditions related to margin trading thoroughly. Now you are ready to access margin trading features on Webull. Make sure to monitor your margin account regularly for any changes in your balance or margin requirements. This completes the guide on enabling margin settings responsibly on Webull. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.